there and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to say a huge thank you for 100 subscribers. I was really excited to see that I had crossed that mark, and thank you so much to everybody who's subscribed to my channel. I've been on YouTube for a little, well, maybe a little more than a little over a year now. And of course it wasn't a very quick growth, but nonetheless I am super excited and really grateful. And yeah, I mean, just to think 100 people decided to want to watch my videos regularly, that's fantastic. Anyway, I wanted to also let you know what I'm working on currently. Last week I asked on Instagram for some ideas and inspirations for some of my next paintings, and I got some, and I actually filmed 3 of those drawings and paintings last week, or I finished one of them this weekend actually. And I just wanted to let you show what I did. I decided to use different mediums for each of them. So this was one of them. This is a little hummingbird in markers, my new Ohuhu markers. I got them a bit before Christmas. Yeah, and I think he turned out really cute, a little bit dark, but still, I'm really happy with him. And yeah, I also painted this little, it's this way around actually. That's the way the reference was. And the jellyfish are swimming down. Yeah, I did some jellyfish painting in watercolor, and very pleased with how that one turned out as well. I mean, it looks slightly different than my usual style, I think. A bit looser maybe. Not that I was fast painting this, but it was a lot of fun anyway. I think that's my favorite out of the recent paintings. And here I have a snake painting, well, a drawing. I started with watercolor and I finished it with colored pencil. This is not my favorite colored pencil piece that I have done so far. I mean, I haven't had them very long, but I didn't pick the best reference. Still, it turned out nice, and I did film that, so those are videos that are coming up soon. And then I just did a little sketchbook drawing of a dodo. It was hard to find reference photos for that because the animal doesn't actually exist anymore. So there's that. Yeah, my cousin gave me the idea of doing another abstract painting, and I haven't managed to do that yet because I like to do abstracts in acrylic, and I'm so reluctant to get my acrylic paints out, even though that used to be my favorite medium, just because I guess it's more of a setup. I have to, well, I don't have to do it at my easel, but I usually do. And you have to clean the brushes and you have to squirt the paint out, and I don't know, it just seems like more work. Probably it's not. I should do that. I'll do that this weekend, I hope. And yeah, but for that I am working currently on a little landscape painting with acrylic gouache, and I'm far from finished at this point, but yeah, I was really struggling with this one, but it's getting there. And I mean, acrylic gouache is basically the same as acrylic paint, just in smaller tubes, and you're doing it on a smaller surface. There's not that much of a difference actually, I think. Yeah, so that's what I'm working on currently. I'm also wanting to improve my my drawing skills. I've been doing some sketching and practicing from this anatomy book. So you can see I'm all over the place. I love painting different subject matter, and it's probably not necessarily good for my growth on social media. I think consistency usually does the trick, but I just can't stick to one subject matter. I love drawing animals probably most currently, but I also love drawing landscapes, and I like drawing people. I mean, portraits, that was the first thing I really excelled at when I was about 12, and you know, you get to that point where it just clicks and you start getting good because you keep practicing, and you kind of, I don't know, that was just the start of becoming maybe better than the people around me who didn't do a lot of art anymore. And yeah, I used to love drawing people. That was all I drew, and I always just used my graphite pencil, and I loved drawing fairies. Then I started using watercolor for those, and then I progressed to just using acrylics, and then I wasn't drawing people anymore. Anyway, I love it all. So thank you so much for joining me on my artistic journey, and yeah, maybe someday I'll find a consistent style, but I don't think so. Anyway, thank you so much, and I hope to be uploading some more speed paintings and tutorials of the paintings I showed you soon. And I hope to see you again in one of my next videos, and I would really love it if you give me a thumbs up and possibly subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out and would make me so excited. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.